family, I'm showing you this wonderful gallery. We're here in 640 West, here in the West End, here in Atlanta. And we're showing you our brother's gallery, Brother Cartrell, that came with us to Ghana October 2016. And so this is our presentation table. Always trying to share documentation as usual. Then the famous One Africa. This is our One Africa. Look. Yep. Incredible. More One Africa. And you come a little closer. Now, One Africa is always great for drumming and dancing. And these are some of the pictures or paintings of aspects of the Ghana Journey of a Lifetime that you'll see this year with us in 2017 and also 2018. The Holocaust Dungeon. Wonderful husband and wife here. As we are exiting the Holocaust dungeons there in Cape Coast, or entering. So this is a nice photo right here of Cape Coast Holocaust dungeons. Nice painting. My favorite place in the entire world to go to, Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. Kwame Nkrumah is just the ideal example of what a hero, a leader, a legend is. 60th anniversary, big up to Ghana. This is the man that led independence in 1957, right here in Accra, Ghana. And also made a great impact on all of us in other parts of Africa and also other parts of the Caribbean, South, Central, and America in general. Kwame Nkrumah is a living legend, and this is the first place we go to when we get to Ghana on tour. More One Africa. This wonderful energy. Remember, now this is incredible. This is that waterfall. It was a little cold that day, but the waterfalls was just incredible. It was like coming down and it was great. Our sister waving me. Yes, I'm trying to remember if this is part of our... I'm trying to remember, man, it's been... definitely in the Volta region. We go to so many places sometimes when you see photos, you have to think about all the regions you've been to in Ghana. But our brother just has this great paintings there, sharing his experience, and that's what we have to do more as a people, share more of our experience in Africa and share the joy, because a lot of times, based on those images that we saw when we were young about, the starving children in Africa and all kind of this bad marketing of what, the folks showed us, mainly this TV networks and everything. So now we can do our own documentation, thankful to all of these wonderful equipments and Sony with the high-tech 4K camera and also the camcorders, and we just documenting everything and sharing with you so you can see, because seeing is believing. Damn! Those are clocks being made, handmade by the brothers. A wood making machine. That's a wood machine.
Because you're like in the background of having the mountains all around you. It was really cool up there.
And family, you have missed most of the people that were here, so we have a few people still around, and we'll come up on this final gallery of lots of memories. More memories. That's Gigi right there. That's what's up. More galleries and more galleries. A lot of documentation. So family, we'd love to see you come to the motherland also and get a lot of documentation and share with your family, friends, and let them know the motherland is incredible. Lots of wonderful things going on, a lot of wonderful opportunities, and also it's a great way to get away. Instead of going to Disney World, instead of going to France or Paris, come to the motherland, family. So on that note, the journey continues. We look forward to seeing you in the motherland. Visit our website, africafortheafricans.org, and join us on a journey of a lifetime. And while you're on Facebook, please click the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share the videos, this one and many others with the details of us here, living, traveling, moving around, doing things and connecting with Africa. All right, family, Black Power, the journey continues.